Hi guys, it's Gill-tech. This video we're going to be doing a friendly tournament. Whoever catches the biggest bass. Can we do biggest and most or just biggest?
Biggest, because...
Alright, the biggest bass, and whoever does, the loser has to, like, I don't know, eat a spoonful of mayonnaise or something like that.
No, you said that last time. The loser just loses.
The loser takes that. So, get to it.
It's gonna be in a 1 hour time frame.
It's gonna be in a 1 hour time frame. We might switch up lures at 1 hour, but yeah. So we're at a community. We're not gonna tell you where because this is the juice. So yeah, bye. Siri, start timer for 1 hour.
Roger that. T-minus 1 hour.
So we just started. No.
Here. Guys, we just started. I'm gonna use a lipless crankbait. See if I can get them on. No way. He got one. Dag nabbit.
Give me the pliers.
He's not gonna hook you, just grab it. You have to weigh him.
Kick. Unhook him for me. Be a good pal, bud. A pounder.
Got him.
16 ounces. No, it's LB.
It's teared. Shaking.
78.
No, you gotta weigh him again. I have to get it by camera to make it official.
He is not no 12 ounces.
You hit it backwards. 0.12. He's 12 ounces.
If you said 80, man, screw this fish. I can't get a nice release. Oh, yeah, you can.
Dude, you can break his vertebrae.
That's plastic. Come on, bud.
Wrong way, bud.
Wrong way, buddy. That way. Too shallow. Oh my God.
Dude, look at him. You're gonna kill him. Yes.
Shoes wet.
Anything you have to say?
He was not worth me getting my shoes wet.
Alright, guys. Well, Isaiah is in the lead. I just have to beat 0.12 ounces. I'm pretty sure I can do that. Okay, so apparently the jerkbait's working. So, good thing I have tied on a jerkbait. I'm just gonna cast over here. That one. Woo! Oh, no! Yes! Give me. Oh, yes. Yes! Yes!
I might got you by a couple ounces.
Give me. Get the scale.
Get the scale. Get the scale.
I barely hooked him.
What you eat?
Jerkbait. 0.84.
No,
0.84.
My fish was there.
No, it wasn't. You don't even know what hair is. And it wasn't. I have video. Proof. Got one. Just kidding. Nope. Never mind. Are you serious? So right now I'm beating Isaiah, but I lost my favorite jerkbait, but I didn't get that jerkbait, so it's fine. I lost it on a rock. Always snagging stuff on rocks. But it's alright because I got this awesome Lucky Craft jerkbait. It's a little bit bigger, but fish bite it. Yesterday, a fish ate it, so I'm hoping that something will eat it again. Isaiah caught another one. I haven't even thrown here. You took my bait, so we'll be talking because both of the baits we're using are mine. So
do that. It's right.
Doesn't even pick it up. That's how small it is.
You turned it on and thought it. There you go.
Doesn't even pick it up how small it is. So
Calm down, bud. Off like a rocket.
okay, so Isaiah's catching them all on the jerkbait that I gave him. So I'm gonna catch them all on this jerkbait. I got one. Yeah, I do. A catfish, what the? Are you? No, this does not count. I'm not gonna weigh this thing. No. I hate catfish, guys. I knew it. Be free, you poop. I'm not helping you. Yeah, go away. I don't like you.